Go to crlocator.com, find a small group near you, get plugged into a Christ-centered Bible-believing church. Also, check out LindellRecoveryNetwork.org. Amen. Until our next episode of Celebrate Recovery in the Four Corners, may you and your families be blessed. Thanks, guys.
Hello, I'm Mike Lindell. You know me as the My Pillow guy, but what you might not know is my story. I was a former addict, including crack cocaine. My memoir will not only speak to entrepreneurs and those struggling with addiction, but also to anyone looking for hope. Throughout my life, I've always used mathematics to prove that God exists.